Greetings, learners. I am Miss KP Dlamini, and welcome to the English First Additional Language lesson. This is a grade 11 lesson, so welcome. Today's lesson will be focusing on our short story, which we will be analyzing. Our title of this short story is Love Potion. The analysis of a short story is very broad. This is why I have tried by all means to shorten our lesson. Today's class will only be focusing on the themes, the style, and also the structure of our short story. There's two themes that we will be focusing on. This is theme 1, love and courtship, and also theme 2, deception or hypocrisy. Now, in the first theme, which is love and courtship, there are specific social customs in this setting of the story. In the story, the proper way to behave seems to prevent people from simply expressing the way they feel. We do find that the characters in the story have to find fake ways to say what they really mean. And we do find evidence from the story, which is whereby the title indicates that this is a love story. Both Lady and Gideon seems to shy to say what they feel and need to say something to help get them together. Now let's go to theme 2, which is deception or hypocrisy. Now I started by defining what these words mean because some of you cannot understand them. So when we speak of deception, is whereby people do not tell the truth. Whereas when we speak of hypocrisy is when someone says they believe in something, but their act is totally different from what they believe in. From the short story, now this is the evidence. Almost all of the characters carry out some kind of deception. Gideon pretends to be interested in Karajan's life story to get access to Letty. He lies about needing the Juba berries. For Sergeant exam, we see out the end of the story that he knew what he was doing all the time when he found Worm out hunting at night. Letty also plays along with this act. This acts of the effects of Jumba plant juice. Is out hunting illegally, and he also lies to Lady about who exactly fell off the gutter because he doesn't want to look foolish. We see both deception and hypocrisy with men of this area. They present themselves as good citizens, but actually they are thieves or ex-thieves. And they also probably involved in this cattle smuggling that the whole story is based on. Now let's go to the style and structure of our short story. The narrative voice. This is how the story is being told. There is a first person, second person, and the third person narration. But in this short story, Love Potion, the main character is a frictional storyteller, the narrator, who we call the narrator. Now, a narrator is a person who tells the story, but is also a participating character in the story, which is our main character. We find humor. Humor is when something is funny, the way the story is written makes it humorous or funny. There is an understatement that is used to create humor. The narrator says he saw the policeman's helmet. And I quote, I went home, I looked the shortest way to which was over the side of the current steep side, which is, you'll find this passage in page 6 of this short story. Now, in this statement, it is, I understand that he relocates how he got a fright at seeing the policeman, that he panicked, misjudged, and fell down a small cliff. This potentially serious fall where he knocked unconscious, downplayed, and made humorous. There is also an innuendo. An innuendo is evident in the story with the incident of the policeman being shot in the foot. This is the end of our lesson. We will do more activities in class, but for now, I need you to go and look for more evidence with regards to these themes and also the style and structures and which you have done. As the grade 11, I urge you to be more serious with your work and also to try and work independently in order to master the skill of analyzing a short story. If one does have more questions, those questions will be answered during the lesson in class in our next session. I thank you.